Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got another beauty box unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. I've just ripped my label off the front there. They now come in a brown box and no more pink boxes. Here's a little sneak peek. So Glossybox costs £13.50 a month and that includes shipping. Inside you receive 5 beauty treats with a minimum value of £50. This month's has a value of £52 and 3 of the products are full size. If you're interested in subscribing for yourself, I do have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box, bringing it down to £8.50. If I can find out any other deals and offers, then I'll pop them down below in my description as alongside links to the subscription, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there. I'm not sad that the pink boxes have gone because in all honesty I've been a Glossybox subscriber for 9 years. I loved it when they did the limited edition ones, especially their October ones. Always a real highlight of the year. Maybe they should do the pink boxes for your very first box when you first subscribe, so then you've got a keepsake pink glossy box to keep. I might be a bit too sentimental, probably, but anyway, let's get on to showing you what's inside then. So you've got a little QR code there which you're able to scan. It tells you all the information about the products inside the box. And what's the theme? Just summer glow up. So there's that. Okay, let's start off then with this whopper of a body lotion. I thought it was This Works, but it's not. It's by a brand called What's In It For Me. Essential oils of cedarwood and bergamot to alleviate stress and rejuvenate, plus lemon oil and sea salt to brighten skin and evoke coastal scents. So it sounds nice. Totally selfish, indulgent, in love with yourself products. And there's 200 mils here. Have we received anything from this brand before in a glossy box? I can't remember, in all honesty. I don't know. Just on the back tells you how to apply a body lotion to your skin, which I'm sure you all know how to do that. So let's have a sniff then and a try on my hand. Excuse any pink blobs. I've been trying out the Milk Cosmetics Cooling Jelly Tint, you know? You might have seen it in a previous unboxing of mine. It's in another unboxing. It's very lightweight. I started massaging it in before I showed you. So, whoop. There. So it's that way. It's like a water cream. And I'm going to put it all the way up my arm. Take it off my hand. Put it up my arm. It goes a really long way. It feels nice. Oh my gosh, I don't like this light at all. That's better. Yeah, it goes a really long way. Feels really nice, and it does have a nice, yeah, coastal, aquatic-y type of scent. Yeah, it's nice. It feels really nice on the skin. Is my arm feeling really soft? Oh, that's lovely. It's a really nice one. So there's that. Okay, we've got some Molten Brown products. And we got a duo. We got a shampoo and a conditioner. I like that. The little minis. They're 50 mils. Purifying shampoo and conditioner with Indian cress. That's what they look like. Indian cress. I can't think. Ooh, that's all I can see is my lips in the shampoo. I can't think if I've ever had this before. Is there an Indian cress body lotion or shower gel? Oh, it smells lovely. Whatever Indian cress is. Oh, that is really nice. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Does the conditioner smell as well? So purifying conditioner and a purifying shampoo there. So a little travel size going on there. And then we have got Glossybox's own little beauty egg as a beauty sponge. I like the little bag that it comes in. That'd be quite handy actually to pop it in to stop your foundation or whatever going all over the rest of your makeup. A nice squishy egg. So you put it underwater, expands, squeeze all the water out, and then you're ready to tap it all over your face. I'm sure I've tried a Glossybox beauty sponge before, but I can't remember. Maybe we've had them in Glossybox advent calendars, possibly. I don't know. And then the last item, you'll get a choice of 2 colours. It doesn't say in my notes what colours you'll get, but this is made by Mitchell, and this is Blush Strawberry Cream Liquid Blusher. So this is one of your full-size items. So what are the full size then? That one, and that one, I'm assuming, yeah. And these are little minis. Right, back to the blush. Is this the one I'm thinking of, where it is extremely pale pink? Yeah, look. Okay. That's mad, isn't it? That is mad. But I think once I blend it in, it looks lovely. It's scary, isn't it, to begin with? But then it blends in really, really nice. It looks like something out of the 80s, but it's really pretty when you blend it in. So what is this called again? Strawberry something, wasn't it? Strawberry cream. It's not really glittery or very, very shimmery. It just gives a really pretty glow, you know? So it's like a blush and highlight type thing in one. So yeah, liquid blusher made by Mitchell. So there's that. We got a body lotion from What's In It For Me. We got a shampoo and conditioner by Molten Brown. And we've got a beauty sponge by Glossybox. Subscriptions £13.50, has a value of £52. If you're interested in this one, you can get it for £8.50 with my code. But is it worth it? Do you think it is worth it this month? I want to hear your thoughts. I know the sponge is going to be a divider with a lot of you, possibly the shampoo and conditioner being so small, but if you're going away for a night or two, then that size is perfect really to try. But yeah, I want to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? I'd love to know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.